everybody. This is Tina with Tia's Treasures, and today I have a quick little haul for you. Mainly, I'm trying to check in here. I thought a bit of conversation while I'm showing you some stuff that came in. I don't know if you follow me. You may be aware that I was on vacation for a week. We went to Mexico, and while I was there, I didn't feel real well. I had some stomach issues, which, just my luck. But when I got home, like 3 or 4 days later, I came down with COVID, and that's where I am right now. I'm recovering from COVID. First time I've had it, I've managed to avoid it. And let me tell you, it is no joke. I have been pretty sick. And that's with me being vaccinated and boosted, I've been quite ill. I'm just finally on the backside of it and starting to recover. So anyway, I'm going to show you real quick what I've had come in. I have the 3 newest colors of Simon Says ink. I've got Sky, Night, and Dusk. I think they're, let's see, 61, 62. So this is the order they go in. I'm going to have to swatch those out, but I don't know that you want to watch me swatch them out, so I'll just put them to the side. And today I got in a bit of a stamp set from Tim Holtz and a die. Oh, look, I've actually put the die in paper for once. I like that. In a little, so it's easier to store. But yeah, I've got this, what's it called? The Abstract Florals. I've been buying his newest stamp set piecemeal, as you'll see. So I've got that. Also, while I was gone in Mexico, I had Hero Arts Premium card kit came in the mail. Now, I had thought I had one more month due in February, or was it March? I don't know. March, I guess, because this would be April. I thought I had the March kit still due to me, and when it didn't show up, I thought, oh, okay, well, my 6-month subscription is obviously over. And then I got this one out of the blue, so I'm thinking this is my last kit from Hero Arts. I'm not going to go through the whole thing, just kind of real quick show you. It's got like some really, really neat a butterfly back plate and stencils and some washi stickers and, some really cool stuff. So there's that came in. And I also, like I said, piecemeal, before I left, I had got in these 2 items from Tim Holtz, the Forgotten Garden and the dies that go with it. And then I also got the mini stencil collection. So I've got the 3 little layering stencils that I bought. And I got in the card kit of the month from Simon Says Stamp while I was gone. So other than me being a little sick, I actually ended up one day in bed. So that was a wasted day in Mexico. I wasn't able to move. And my husband took care of me. And I wasn't hungover. I had like 1 drink the night before. I was just, I woke up at 4 in the morning and I was just ill. And I even, I don't think this was COVID because I had tested for COVID when I got home like twice and it was negative. And then my husband tested positive. And so on the 3rd time I tested, I finally got a positive result, and then I was having COVID symptoms. When I was in Mexico, my symptoms were not COVID. They were just like stomach related. I don't know what my issue is. I've got to Make an appointment, though, with a gastroenterologist and find out what's going on there. So anyway, I had, with this, I have another Tim Holtz stamp. This one I didn't get the dies with. This is Curiosity Shop. I just thought this would be fun to, like, put in the background of different things I do. And this card kit here, I have not looked at yet. You saw I just undid it. So it came with an envelope. And let's take a quick look at this. Ooh. I want to see what's in the kit. Ooh, is that fun? I have Zest and Terracotta. I have some warm colored gems. That's really cool. I have a mini popsicle watermelon. Doesn't that look orange to you? That looks orange, but watermelon is not orange, so it's obviously like red. Put it over there. A little bitty embossing folder, emboss and cut. That's kind of cool. The little sun. We got some little tiny blending tools. I have a couple of these already. They're really nice for like just doing small little areas. We have a yellow envelope, pattern paper. This is a matte, kind of a, it is lighter weight than I thought it was going to be when I originally saw the kit. It's matte, and I would say it's, well, it's less than 80 pounds. I don't know, maybe it's 50 pounds. But it's going to be really pretty, and you can layer lots of these if you'd like. And it looks like a watercolor. Gorgeous. My brain is still not working too well, so as I'm rambling on, you'll have to excuse me a bit. Is that, everybody have that little thing on there? It's not no biggie, because you can just cover it up with something. I like that color. Anyway, get it. It's like rainbow, every color. Blue and purple and oranges and reds, and very pretty paper. If I could, like, go through all of it. Come on, I know there's two here. I think there's two here. Maybe. Oh, well. Who is that by? That is, I think it's Craft Consortium. And we've got, I think we just have white. Nina, 110-pound cardstock, 2 pieces of that. Make good card bases. And this beautiful, beautiful stamp set that I cannot wait to do something with. Anyhow, this is my mini haul. We've got the card kit, 2 card kits, and some inks, and some bunch of Tim Holtz stamps and dies. And so as I am rambling, I did have fun in Mexico, even if I didn't do anything except stay by the pool this time. Once I was able to get out of bed, I didn't want to, you know, go on any trips or anything. I just didn't feel 100%, so we mostly just stayed by the room, and, well, we stayed by the pool, I should say, and I got too much sun, even though I, like, slathered on the sunscreen multiple times a day. I still kind of got burnt and dried out, and just one of those things. And anyhow, I just wanted to let you know where I'd been and why I have not put out a video in a while. I have got a bunch of things that I can do now. This is the first time I've been in my craft room since I believe I dropped my last video. I just have not been in here. Just, you come home, you unpack. I thought I had really bad jet lag, and 3 days later I'm just dying from COVID. So, well, that's kind of insensitive. I felt like I was dying. Anyhow, that's it for now, everyone. So bye-bye.